Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on your DREAME X30 Ultra. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then Robot Management. Now go to Do Not Disturb mode and you can enable it. Then you can also set a schedule of it. You can enable it or disable it. When it's disabled, then it will not work, like so. And you can change the starting and ending time. You can have multiple timings of the Do Not Disturb mode. Let's say I also want a short Do Not Disturb mode from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. just for a moment, like so, as you can see right here. And yeah, you can enable it, disable it, or disable just certain ones. And what it does is it limits some robots' functions. It isn't really set here, unfortunately. But okay, it says it here that after it's enabled, the robot will not automatically resume cleaning. So if it stops cleaning to, for example, charge itself, then it will not resume. And also will not perform auto-empty tasks because it's quite loud, and scheduled cleanups will be done after the Do Not Disturb period ends. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.